The best place to eat in Indiana with kids. What? That's right, you guys. It's Dakota with Mother of Boys, and I'm really excited to share with you guys our favorite place to eat and why. This is Pizza King in New Albany, Indiana, and it does have a drink train. What? As you enter, you'll see this beautiful dining room, but most importantly, my boys like the drink train. That's right, you guys. Your drinks will be delivered on a drink train. One of our favorite things about this restaurant is you actually get to sit in booths shaped like a train. There is also a television which you can play video games, watch cable TV, so make sure you bring those quarters. You guys, my boys absolutely love their pizza here. As a mother of 5, it's something I can really appreciate, not having to worry about someone not wanting to. Now for you guys who don't like pizza, they do offer subs, salads, and pasta options. You won't be disappointed. My favorite thing about this location is it's right off the interstate. You can even see it from the interstate, which makes it so much easier for us moms.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like